Hello to everyone. Okay, here are two of the cookbooks I'm selling, but I want to give you guys two of the recipes before I sell them. This one looks good. Loaded baked potato soup. And then I'm going to give you this veggie soup recipe as well. You can just take a quick screenshot of this. Let me see what else she's got in here. These look pretty easy and no weird ingredients. I have to be careful not to bend the pages. This looks good. And then I have a good egg recipe in here. Right here. So this will help with the meal plan this week. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.